Do you want to know how you can add another account on your Melbet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add another account on Melbet. Go ahead and go to melbet.in after you open any browser and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now you can see that there are no options to add your account, but if you go to your personal profile, you might see that on your future, but for now this is the only option. What you need to do is click on logout, which is over here, and click logout to log out of your current account. Now go ahead and click login, and let's go ahead and add another account. So let's go ahead and add our email address and write down our password. After we do that, go ahead and click remember and click login. This way we can add another account on your Melbet. So for now you can go to logout and go to login and add another account, but later onwards you can see on your profile or your personal profile there will be option of switching your accounts as well. So guys, this is how you add account on Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.